Hello, once again. This is Uncle Jimmy of Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. And today we are between Gettysburg and Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. And we're at a iconic landmark spot. It's called Mr. Ed's Elephant Museum and Candy Emporium. Now, this has been around since like the 70s. Now, Mr. Ed was a gentle soul who owned this and sold candy, and he also collected elephants. Anything elephant, trinkets, elephants, anything to do with elephants, and people would give him elephants as gifts. So he had quite the collection. Now, I remember coming here as a kid, and I'm 55 years old, and I remember coming here as a kid in the 70s, and my parents brought me to Gettysburg for the first time and getting candy and seeing all these sights of elephants and stuff. He's got like a little garden. It used to be trees with shoes tied to them and nailed to them, but that was taken down. Now, Mr. Ed has passed. His nephews, the way I understand, his nephew and nieces now run it. I don't think he had any children of his own. I know he had a stepson, because I know his stepson pretty well, and he told me that he still has a part in ownership, but he just didn't want to run it because he enjoys doing his motel management, which he manages a motel. So the nieces and nephews took it over. But I still think he has some part ownership in it, him and his mom. And he lives with his mother. And so let's go take a look around, and I'll show you the inside and some of Mr. Ed's collection and the little walk-through garden with figures and stuff. And so I hope you enjoy this. Follow me. Now, this is Mr. Ed's. Has a lot of little things out front here. The little truck there, I know, is a collection of Pez dispensers that he had. And I'm not sure if this is all his collection in the little museum here. I'm not sure, but we will see. Now, this is an elephant here that talks. Now, I don't know if it's on or operating anymore. It was had a sensor, so I don't know, but it used to talk and stuff and welcome you to being here. Here's a little photo op that kids can get their picture taken as an elephant. So before we go inside, let's take a walk through the garden, see some of the stuff they have displayed. Looks like they're ready for Easter. There's a little, used to be an elephant ride. They got it shut down now, but for kids to ride an elephant. It's got a little gazebo here, some elephants up here, fountain. Little alligator there spitting out water. Sounds like tree frogs or bullfrogs, I'm not sure. I think them are tree frogs. Got some little koi goldfish in the pond here. Little bullfrogs. I see one sitting right over there on the rock, and there's another one right there. So it's 4 frogs. There's a couple right there. There's 4 frogs, and the more I look, I see more bullfrogs now. A lot of them. Couple giraffes up here. A lot of elephants, little elephant trunks sticking out of the little building here. Giraffes. So it's just a neat little place to stop and check out if you're ever in the area. Looks like I got a lot of Easter eggs on the trees out here. There's Peanut the elephant. And of course we have Sasquatch standing out here, Bigfoot. And there's a huge elephant up on the end there. But it's right off the old, it's off Route 30 to Chambersburg. If you ever want to stop here. And I'll take you in the inside and show you around also. It's just a neat little iconic roadside attraction that's been here for a long time. And I'm glad it's still in existence and still running. It's called the Hi-Ho Trail. It's got some of the dwarfs and Snow White down here. There we go, we're starting to see. I think that's Happy. That might be Doc. I'm not real good with my dwarfs. No, I'm sorry, this is Doc here. And that's Dopey, I know that for sure. That might be Sleepy up there on the hill. Now this is definitely Grumpy. And of course Snow White. So let's go inside and take a look around, so follow me. So folks, we're inside and I'll take you a walk through and show you some of the elephants that Mr. Ed collected. It's a figure of Mr. Ed.
Hey, we should do this, guys.
As you can see, just tons and tons of figurines of elephants. Anything to do with elephants. Stuffed elephants, ceramic elephants, toy elephants. Pretty amazing. He definitely had quite the collection. Really loved his elephants. Some Thai elephants. Barnum and Bailey stuffed animals. Pretty amazing, folks. And like I said, this has been around since the 70s. I guess Mr. Ed liked elephants all his life and collected most of his life, as you can see. And I'm sure there's more than just this. I'm sure his house is full of other elephant trinkets. So let's go out here and there's some elephant tusks and have a look around the candy. And I might just get me a soda while I'm here. And we'll take a look at the Pez collection.
Oh, you gotta go back there. Here? Yes. Well, they have not grills. Oh, you like them? Yeah, I love them.
Scooch over this way, honey.
Cute. You can also buy elephant figurines here. Big elephant there. You can also buy pezzas here. He's got a little collection here of pezzas. These are ones you, like I said, you could buy. Different ones. Pretty cool. I used to love these as a kid. I remember putting it took longer to put the candy in the actual thing than to eat it. Once you had it all loaded, and then it was going in a matter of minutes. Tons and tons of candy. Might have to give me some fireballs while I'm here. I like fireballs. Every kind of candy you can think of. So folks, I hope you've enjoyed that little attraction there of Mr. Ed's. I went ahead and I got me a Boyan Bottling Company root beer. We'll see how that is. And then I bought my kids and wife and myself some fudge. I got a variety. I just got myself one piece of fudge. Wasn't bad for the root beer and the fudge. It was like 12 bucks. And so I got a variety of fudge there. Got myself the peanut butter chocolate, and got my wife a s'mores and my kids a s'mores, and also got the kids another piece of cookies and cream fudge, which my wife and kids can share. I got one piece is enough for me. So I hope you'd enjoyed this blog of Mr. Ed's Elephant Museum and Candy Emporium. If you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. If you haven't subscribed, all you got to do is hit the red subscribe button, and it's absolutely free. Even if you don't watch another video, just hit that for me. It helps my YouTube channel grow. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions of things you'd like to see in the future. Give it a thumbs up, like, and again, once again, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures, and I hope you've enjoyed this blog today. And once again, please subscribe to my channel, and in the meantime, go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life, and get out there and see things. And till next time, this is Uncle Jimmy. See you next time. Goodbye.